Hi guys! This is Anton Benson. Um, Unang-una, magpapasalamat po ako sa suporta nyo at sa pagmamahal nyo sa Maka Love Stream. Siyempre, skincare tayo for today. Kasi may lakad tayo mamaya eh. Dapat prepare, handsome at the same time. Joke lang. Pero, back to the question. Ang minamanifest ko na sana maganda ang resulta ng Maka at sana magustuhan nyo syempre. And ang manifestation ko, I'm really grateful to live the life that I love every single day. And syempre sana maganda yung ratings ng Maka at good health lahat kami dapat. Good health, all the producers, all the cast, all the creatives, all the writers. Thank you for making this happen sa Maka Love Stream. Bagong kwento, bagong chapter ng buhay namin. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo, sa bumubuo ng Maka and all our fans out there. Thank you for supporting us, for the love and care. And ayun, tapos na ako mag-skincare, tapos na. Pero, ayun. Bye guys, and hope to see you soon. Hope you love Maka. Bye-bye.